everyone. Today we will study about fullerene. Fullerene is a naturally occurring allotrope of carbon in which 60 carbon atoms are joined together to form a stable structure. It is one of the crystalline form of carbon other than diamond and graphite, which is made up of 60 carbon atoms bonded together in a polyhedral structure in the form of pentagons and hexagons. This is the structure. Try to understand. 60 carbon atoms bonded together in a polyhedral structure in the form of pentagons and hexagons. See the molecular structure of fullerene. Molecular structure looks like a football or roof of a stadium. Okay, dome roof of the stadium, which was developed by American architect Buckminster Fuller. So it was also named as Buckminster Fullerene, or in short, Bucky ball. There are 20 hexagon and 12 pentagons in Bucky ball. Okay, so just in short, you try to understand the structure. The 60 carbons atoms are bonded together in which structure? Polyhedral structure in the form of pentagons and hexagon. 20 hexagons are there and 12 pentagons are there. Clear? Though it is naturally occurring allotrope of carbon, it can be prepared also. It can be synthesized by an electric arc struck between graphite electrode in an inert atmosphere. Okay, now see the properties of fullerene. Nature, it is yellow powder. Specific gravity is 1.8 to 2.1. Solubility, unlike diamond and graphite, it is soluble in organic solvent. Conductivity, non-conductor, and it is more reactive than diamond and graphite. Okay, and this is very important form of carbon because the discovery that carbon could form a stable structure other than graphite and diamond helped scientists to search for other new form of carbon, and this only led to the discovery of carbon nanotubes. Okay, so it is widely used, but in short you will study only uses of fullerene. It can be used as superconductors, semiconductors, lubricants and catalysts. Actually, a number of fullerene derivatives are known in which organic groups are attached to carbon atoms on the sphere. And it is possible to produce compounds by trapping metal ion with the carbon 60 Kg. And some of these compounds have semiconducting properties. So that you will study later. Now only just try to remember uses of fullerene. Superconductor can be used as a superconductor, semiconductors, lubricants and catalysts. That's it.